Poor babies have never gotten a bath before. It's so dirty. Poor babies. They may not like it now, but they'll feel nice whenever it's done.
Oh, I know you don't like that. I know. It's okay. It's okay. Hang in there, puppy dog. It's okay, sweetie. I know.
Yeah, no, not a fan.
No, this is pretty much the worst thing that's ever happened to you.
Baby.
Can you hear him grunting?
No.
He's just like.
That's so kind of good.
I know. It's not very fun, is it?
I know, baby.
It's okay. Good boy. Good boy.
Oh, this one's trembling. I know. I don't want it on me no more.
If you see him start to lick himself, please stop him.
Yeah.
Alright. Now the part that they really don't like. I know, you need it. Hey buddy, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Wow, you're not fighting me near as much as your brother. Yeah, your brother just would not hold still. Oh, I know.